What's up, YouTube? It's your boy. It is Andre, and I'm back with another great video. So, if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, make sure you're locked in. Watch this video all the way to the end because I know you're out there. You're looking for a work from home job. You're trying to find a real job. Now, in this video, I'm going to explain to you some real work from home jobs. Now, I can't promise you that what I'm going to share with you will be a fit for you. If you cannot find a fit, do remember to check out my other videos on here. I'll talk about affiliate marketing, ways how to make money. So if you're looking for a way to make money from home, I can show you some great ideas and some tips that can help you do that. But again, if you're looking for a real work from home job and you've been searching online, I'm going to share with you two websites that will help you. And hopefully there's something on these two websites that you could do because they have a ton of online jobs. So we're going to jump into things right away. If you, again, it's your first time here, like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. For my regulars, happy to have you here. And if you're not looking for a job and you're looking for my #1 recommendation of making money online, we can make $200 to $300 consistently in a passive income. Now check out the first link in the description and I'll just send that over to you right away. So let's dive into things right away and let's do this. So the first website that I'm going to be talking about, this website you can find real work from home jobs, is a website that is called Manulife.com. So Manulife, what they do, they're like a financial advice insurance. They also do like wealth. They do asset management. They do solutions for like individuals and different groups. So they have a ton of different jobs on here, not, let's say, in specific about the actual financing, but they do have other jobs as well. But that's like their main goal, is to help people and help groups about financing. So if you want to get some advice about insurance, this is where people come. They'll just log on to this website. So if you scroll through here, you can see exactly what they do. They have multiple jobs all over. I wouldn't say worldwide, but they have some parts available overseas. So I can't say that is worldwide, but they do have. So if you want to apply for a job, you can click on here, or you can head on over to the career section. So once you click on the career section, now this is going to pop up, and this is you unlimited. So you're ready to apply, you can click on it. So you can scroll through here and you can read up a little bit more, explore our opportunities. So some of these opportunities / jobs is what they're looking for people to fill. So if you look through here, communications, customer service, financing, human resources, information technology, lots of different things. So once you click on ready to apply, it's going to take you over to the job section where there's multiple different job categories. So if you click on or you type in jobs.manulife.com, it will just take you directly to this page if you don't want to go to the main page. So here where it says job search results, if you type in remote, you can start to see different remote jobs, and remote or work at home jobs will pop up. So for example, this right here, rehabilitation specialist. Rehabilitation specialist. Oh my goodness. It's late, right? So there's full-time, work at home, Ontario, Canada, and this is category insurance group. So you click on here, you can apply. There's jobs in Hong Kong, there's jobs in Ontario, there's some in the US, there's VN, I don't know where that is, there's Halifax, there's Ontario, Canada. So these are some of the different locations. PH, I don't know if that's the Philippines, kind of look like it. So if you click on over here where it says country, you will see different countries pop up. Categories, over here there's banking, auditing group, there's business operation group, financing, insurance, there's information technology, legal, compliance, and marketing group. So as I mentioned, there's so many different real work from home jobs that you can find on this specific website. So as I said before, you type in remote, or you could type in work at home. So once you scroll down, you'll see the different work from home jobs. And then you could just apply for it. They have right here, Texas. Uh, they're saying Texas, that's a location, but it's at work at home. So I don't know why they say Texas. Maybe they're looking for someone in that area, but it's a sales group, which is kind of have me confused for a little bit. But I highly recommend you check it out and apply for it. But if it's work from home, you gotta stay at home. Probably they're looking for that region, but this is AL. That's in the US of A. That's California, USA. So there's different locations that you can come in. There's about 2 pages of this. There's probably more. Yeah, so 2 pages, even Boston, Massachusetts, Virginia. So there's different types of jobs that they're looking for. So let's say for this one, let's click on the apply and see what pops up. So it gives you the location, Boston, full-time. And once you come through here, they'll just give you the role that they're looking for and some of the information of what they would like. So you just beef it up, you set up your resume. I'm sure you have to send out a resume. I don't know how difficult it is to get a job here, but I do know that they're looking for people. And there's like a real work from home job that you can find. So check it out. They deal with financing, as I said before. They deal with wealth management solutions, all that type of stuff. This is the website. So jobs.manulife.com. Next website that I'm going to share with you is solident.com. So this is more of like in the health professions. So if you're a nurse, you're a physician, therapist, you're looking to get into that type of field, or you're already in that field, but you're trying to find something that is more relaxed, remote, or maybe you have to travel a little bit. Now, this particular website, they have different jobs in different locations. You type in your locations. This one will probably be mainly in the US, of course. These are school occupational therapist jobs. They're school psychologist job. So travel nurse, even travel nurse. So if you click on the travel nurse section, I don't know if this is going to pull up, but if you click on it, it will just take you over to the travel nurse section. And they have a lot of different areas that you can go into. So you can scroll through here and see what they do. A beauty contest that goes deeper than the surface. Well, it's not about beauty, but they're trying to spice things up a little bit. And they just want to, have a great work environment. It's a great place to work. Certified October 2018 to October 2019. That's when they get their certificate. That's the expiration date. So they just want something, which is wonderful. So this is a great company. If you're already in the medical field and you're looking to find a job, you just come on here and you could just sign up for it right away. So those were the two websites that I wanted to share with you that you could find real work at home jobs that you could do and you can get started right away. So if you look through here, there's different jobs in different locations, therapy jobs, physicians, pharmacists, school jobs, nursing jobs. So come on here, find something, and you can get started. Some of these you probably have to be like on location jobs, but some of them do require you to stay at home because I was searching it earlier and they have some work at home positions available. So check it out, see if it's something that's going to work for you. Again, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, not all jobs is going to be related to you, but just check out my other videos on my other channel. If you want to learn about affiliate marketing, you want to start your own business, you want to learn Facebook ads, check out my other videos. And if you want to start a real business online, check out the first link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Andre. Hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.